Good news is we have all the bolts. Bad news is it's leaking. Oh well, decided I'll have to have a new seal. Switched out to the parting tool because it has the offset so that I can run the live sensor, and what that does, it takes away the vibration and the chatter, and it will also let me run contemporary, which is good because there's a lot of overhang here for that too small truck in the standard truck, just so I can go into the spline because I have overweight holding it, so we're getting a lot better feel now, and once we've done that at the end car, hopefully that'll be fantastic. Hopefully. Several minutes later. Well, I'm quite happy with that, to be fair. I haven't had to skim too much off the ID or the OD. So hopefully we get the seal. Hope it fits. And now the moment of truth. That'll do. Okie dokie, right, let's get that clean, get that clean, get that in there after I've cleaned that, and get it back together. Let's see if we can get this seal out, eh? And there we go, look at the size of that bad boy. Jeez. Look at the thickness of my thumb, that is. That's a monster. Another bearing. Bearing sweet. Okay. Let's give that a quick clean up. And then we're ready to fire the new one in. That's a mission, wasn't it? Had a look behind the drum to where the shoulder is, so I'm just going to measure to see how far the seal has to go in, and then once I know how far the seal has to go in, so at the moment we are 9.2 mil, and then when I push it on, I zero that, press the right button, we're down, so we've got to go in 5 1/4 mil for the seal to miss the shoulder, which is fine. So I know how far now I need to push the seal in. So next job is to install the seal. Put some grease in here. I've greased the nipple underneath to make sure grease comes through into the bearing okay, which it does. Just going to put some grease now onto the seal to help it go in a bit better, and then we can hopefully get it installed. So I'm going to use a big block of stainless steel, which I have as a, well, just a bashing block really. And yeah, it is quite good for doing these sorts of things, as the chances of me having a bit of tube the right size are not great, and then once it's in, we find something else just to push it in the last bit, probably a punch. It might not even need a lot of that, that goes quite easy. So we'll just get some tools and be on with that bit.